Hello, everyone. I am a member of a civic and human rights organizations that stand for one of the most basic but often ignored workers, the right to safe and helpful worker conditions. Every worker deserves to come home safe after a day's work. No job should cost a person their health, dignity, or life. From constructions worker exposed to unsafe equipment to factory employees breathing hazardous chemicals to open workers suffering from stress and poor working environment. Unsafe workplaces affect all industries. These risks lead to injuries, illnesses, and even long-term disabilities that could have been prevented. Safe working conditions are not a privilege. They are a human right. Employers have the responsibility to provide a proper safety equipment, clear safety protocols, reasonable working hours, and a healthy environment. Governments must strictly enforce labor laws, and workers must be empowered to speak up without fear of losing their job. When workers are protected, productivity improves, families stay whole, communities grow stronger. We call on employers to prioritize safety over profit. We urge policymakers to strengthen labor protection, and we encourage workers to know their rights and stand together. Support the right to safe and helpful working conditions because a safe workplace is not just good for workers, it's good for everyone. Thank you.